Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to explain you what are the CD rates for Capital One Bank, and in this video we will discuss about like what are the CD rates for 6 month, 9 month, 12 month and 14 months. And in this video we will also discuss about fees and early withdrawal penalties, grace period, and how much money you will earn after deposit $1,000, pros and cons, each and everything you are going to get in this video. So let's get started. First of all, you can see this is the basic model of their Capital One Bank ED, you can say CD rates. So for 1 year you will get 4.00% APY, and for 2 years you will get like 3.05% APY, and if you are going to deposit your money like for 5 years you will get like 5.50 APY. Okay, so let's talk about as you can see over here, this is the, you can say, full CD rates for Capital One Bank, and you can see each and every percentage of CD rates according to every month, and you can check on your screen. So when we discuss about like how much money you will earn after depositing $1,000 in your CD. Okay, so if you deposit like $1,000 in your account for 6 months, you will earn like $19 and for 6 months. Okay, and if you deposit your $1,000 for 1 month, then you will get $40. Okay, in the earning time, you can say in the earning period. Okay, so as you can see this is for 1 year, and if you are going for 2 year then you can make it double, or you can say if you are going to deposit more than 1,000, like if you are going to deposit $2,000, then your money is going to double. Like if your earning is $19 for $1,000, then the earning will be to $19 to $38. Okay, so if you are going to deposit $2,000 in for 12 months, then your earning will be like $80. Okay, so this is the earning model of Capital One ED rates. And if you are going to talking about like what are the pros and cons for this Capital One CD rates, then you can see over here these are the pros and cons of this you can say Capital One CD. So you can say pros. What are the pros? There's that the first pro is that is no minimum balance required, and physical branches are available, and FDIC insured up to 2,50,000 per person dollar, and flexible payout options, wide range of CD terms. And if we are going to talking about like what are the cons, the first con you can see below average APYs on same term lengths, and automatically renew to current rates, and does not offer especially CDs like no penalties or bumps up CDs, because they have also a penalty. So as you can see each and every detail on your screen. So this is the you can say minimum balance. If we are going to talking about like minimum deposit, then the minimum deposit when anyone going to open any account like $500 or $1,000, so there is no mean about like minimum balance. So you need to, when you are going to open account, you need to deposit some amount. Okay, so as you can see these are the details of you can say early withdrawal penalties. If you are going to withdraw your you can say a CD like 3 months worth of investment for CD of 1 year and shorter, and 6 month worth of interest for CDs for of term long than 1 year. So, and you can see each and every detail on your screen. If you are going to explain each and everything, then the video going to be long, very long. So this is the video for Capital One ED rates. I hope you are getting my each and every point. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friends, thank you.